In this video I will show you how to check your TANG tokens, copper coins and badge. Change your nickname as well as invite friends into the TANGDAO Metaverse. Tap on the top left corner button of the home page. Tap on My Profile. You can check on your current TANG token and copper coin balance here. View your badge status and invite friends with a QR code. Change the settings to your preferred language too. You can receive TANG tokens as a gift of purchasing our badges. You can earn copper coins by taking part of our activities such as our Masters Hall of Fame, our daily check-in, as well as inviting friends to our app. You can purchase badges through our website, metang.world. You can send your friends your personal referral code to invite them to join our app by tapping on the copy link. Or you can save the image and send it to your friends, and they would be able to scan the QR code to join too. The saved image would be located on your phone gallery once it is saved. You can change the settings of your preferred language here. We have localized our app to English, traditional, and simplified Chinese to be available on our app. You can edit your nickname by tapping on this edit button on the top right corner. Remember, your nickname cannot contain any special characters or any spacing. Once you are satisfied with your nickname, tap on the top right corner to save. Now you are able to check your TANG tokens, copper coins, and badge status, as well as change your nickname, and invite your friends to join our TANGDAO Metaverse.